So friends, today I'm going to change the winter wheels with the summer wheels. I bought a new tire because in the front, I have a flat tire, and very soon we will start to change the wheels. Now they are in the lunch break. Unfortunately for me, I need to wait around 15 minutes. Those are the wheels. The rest are in the back, and I have two more in the back, and the last one is here because they painted again and they put the new tire. So I will come very soon. I will show you very soon the result. They have a lot of colors. So I think this is a good place to change tires. So look how many options do you have. So friends, this is the result. The wheels are back in place. Sorry for the dirty car, I did not have a chance to wash it. This is the new tire and the new wheel, and they did not do it very good. You see here, I don't know how good can you see, maybe like this. So see, they did not do it very good in here, and tomorrow I'm going to take it back. I spoke with them and they will do it better this time, I hope. So after I will finish with everything. I will show you the results. So this is the car with the wheels. What do you think? How they are looking? Personally, I like them very much. Sorry for the wind. But look, very beautiful picture. Later, guys.